Hi, it's Chanel Bowen, and welcome to your moment of inner renovations, where you cultivate the tools for your inside job. Today's practice is a body scan awareness with gratitude. So go ahead and find a comfortable place where you'll be undisturbed during this moment of mindfulness. Feel free to lay down or sit comfortably, whatever works for you, as long as you remember your intention to stay in your awareness. Close your eyes and draw your attention to the rise and fall of your breath. Every in-breath is a renewal of life, and every out-breath is a moment of letting go. Inhale, the breath that rejuvenates your life, and exhale while letting go of what is no longer needed. Feel the flow of the full breath throughout your body as you notice and ride the sensations like a gentle wave that's becoming more and more natural for you. Give yourself permission to sense the wholeness of your body in this moment, from head to toe, and everything in between. Sense the oneness of it all. Let the weight of your body connect even more with the bed, the chair, the floor, the earth by which you're supported. Notice the places that your body are connected to the surface, where you're feeling a deeper and deeper sense of rest. Just breathe. Bring your awareness to your toes on both of your feet, and just notice the sensations without trying to make anything happen. Just feeling into the happening. Breathe and begin to expand your awareness to other parts of your feet as well, as you allow them to release tension, soften, and relax. Envision your awareness is like a warm light, and the life-giving energy of your breath flows to that part of your body, down to your feet. Gratitude flows with it. Gratitude flows with your breath and awareness for the well-functioning of the feet. Expand your awareness even more to include your ankles, and moves up your calves and to your knees as they relax in your warm awareness. Notice your thigh muscles and allow them to relax and become heavy into the surface that supports them as you just breathe. Sense the space between joints and the letting go of tension from your muscles that are now ungripping the bones. Release the tension all the way to the bones as your awareness moves up to your buttocks and you notice any energy held there in the muscles. Inhale as you observe, and exhale as you let go of tension in the hips. With warm awareness flowing up to your abdomen, gratitude flows with the awareness for the well-functioning of the organs behind your rib cage and in your chest. Observe. breathe. Inhaling gratitude, releasing tension. Breathe deeply and see if you can become still enough in this moment to sense the beat of your own heart. Thank your heart. Sense your spine that gently supports your body in this moment. Notice where it curves and how it connects to your shoulders and the point where it meets your skull. Observe. Breathe. Be. Allow yourself to become more and more aware of the magnificent connections effortlessly made in your body. Send love and appreciation through your body for its well-functioning throughout the day and while you rest. As you inhale and exhale, draw breath awareness down your arms, into your hands, and notice the sensation of your fingers. Imagine inhaling warm energy back up your arms, into your neck. Notice the sensations of the breath in your throat. Observe, more and more aware of the flow of breath in your body. Draw your awareness to your face and notice if there is any tension in your face that you can let go. Observe your forehead, behind your eyes, around your mouth, any tension in your jaw. Let it go. Allow the muscles in your face to release in the warm light of your awareness. Breathe. Observe. And feel the temperature of the room. Notice how it makes your body feel. You are bringing your awareness back to the overall sense of your body as you pay attention to the breath that rises and falls, renews life, and releases tension. Inhale and exhale as your whole body breathes with awareness. Connect with the quality of your experience and observe any thoughts, feelings, sensations, and emotions. Observe with non-judgment, just letting be. And as you end this practice, still breathing, still centering in your awareness, wiggle your toes. Start to slowly move your body around and gently bring your attention back to this time, back to this space. Welcome yourself into this moment, just letting yourself be. Thank you for joining me today for this moment of inner renovations. Take good care of yourself.